Hi everyone, and welcome to SEOLab support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Other Tools section inside SEOLab and how these tools help you analyze competitors, backlinks, referral traffic, and links to improve your Shopify SEO strategy. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the SEOLab app. From the left-hand menu, click on Other Tools. At the top of this page, you'll see 4 tabs: Competition, Backlink Analysis, Referrer Analysis, Link Analysis. Each tool gives you valuable insights to understand how your website and your competitors' websites are performing in search. By default, you'll land on the Competition tab. This tool helps you see how competitive a keyword is and which websites are ranking for it. To use it, enter a website URL, a keyword you want to analyze, and select your target country. Then click Analyze. SEOLab will show whether your website appears in the top results and list competitor websites ranking for that keyword. You'll also see backlink counts, do follow and no follow links, and referring domains. This helps you understand how strong your competitors are, whether a keyword is difficult to rank for, and what kind of SEO strength top-ranking pages have. Next, click on the Backlink Analysis tab. Here you can analyze all the backlinks pointing to a specific website. Simply enter a domain name and click Analyze. SEOLab will show the pages linking to that website, anchor text and destination, URLs, page authority, and domain authority, and when the link was first found and last visited. This tool is very useful for understanding backlink quality, spotting strong links, and finding opportunities for link building. Now, switch to the Referrer Analysis tab. This tool shows which external domains are sending traffic or links to a website. After entering a domain and clicking Analyze, you'll see a list of referring domains, total backlinks from each domain, do follow counts, domain authority, and the date the domain was discovered. This helps you identify your strongest referral sources and discover websites that could be valuable for partnerships, outreach, or content promotion. Finally, click on the Link Analysis tab. This tool analyzes the link structure of a website. After entering a domain and clicking Analyze, you'll see total links, external links, internal links, no follow links. Below that, SEOLab lists individual links along with the link URL anchor text link type, internal or external, and whether the link is follow or no follow. This helps you identify internal linking opportunities, find broken or unnecessary links, improve crawlability and site structure. A strong internal linking structure helps search engines understand your website better and improves overall SEO performance. These insights allow you to make data-driven SEO decisions and strengthen your Shopify store's organic visibility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next SEOLab tutorial.